A gauge or gauge, in science and engineering, is a device used to make measurements or in order to display certain information, like time. A wide variety of tools exist which serve such functions, ranging from simple pieces of material against which sizes can be measured to complex pieces of machinery. Depending on its usage, a gauge can be described as a device for measuring a physical quantity, for example to determine thickness, gap in space, diameter of materials, or pressure of flow, or a device that displays the measurement of a monitored system by the use of a needle or pointer that moves along a calibrated scale. Basic types: all gauges can be divided into four main types, independent of their actual use. Analog instrument meter with analog display. Until the later decades the most common basic type. Digital instrument meter with analog display. A screen that shows an analog meter, commonly used in modern aircraft cockpits, and some hospital equipment etc. Digital instrument meter with digital display. Only numbers are shown at a digital display. Analog instrument meter with digital display. Only numbers are displayed, but through a mechanical or electromechanical display. The two first basic types are usually easier for the human eyes and brain to interpret, especially if many instrument meters must be read simultaneously. The other two types are only displaying digits, which are more complex for humans to read and interpret. The ultimate example is cockpit instrumentation in aircraft. The flight instruments cannot display figures only, hence even in the most modern glass cockpits, where almost all instruments are displayed at screens, few figures are visible. Instead the screens display analog meters. More in detail, various types of gauges include: references, Richard Tellman, Geometric Mechanics, pages 255-56, a gauge is a device for measuring a physical quantity. A thermometer is a temperature gauge, a ruler is a length gauge. Ray Heron, Agricultural Mechanics, Fundamentals and Applications, pages 109, a gauge is a device used to determine thickness, gap in space, diameter of materials, or pressure of flow. A. B. Barry Hollenbeek, Today's Technician, Automotive Electricity and Electronics, pages 539, a gauge is a device that displays the measurement of a monitored system by the use of a needle or pointer that moves along a calibrated scale.